Yeah, I'm back at it again. Doing another, I ain't gonna say pickup, because I been having my shoes. I'm a little late with this review, but it's my review. I'm doing a review on the Air Jordan 5 Retros, which is my first 5. It's a size 11. It's light graphite white and wolf gray. Let's get into the shoe. You see how I already open it. No special on the paper on this one. Okay, back it up. We got this. Okay. Now turn on the light. See if it'll help. Help out a little bit. Okay, let's get in the shoe. On the shoe, it feel like a tumble leather. Feel like a tumble leather. I might have it wrong, but it's good material on this one. Seems like it's a little different material on this part than this part. Seems like it. You can tell the material. I like that the 23 got the 23 stitching right here. 23 stitching. Got the air bubble. Let's see in the air bubble. Can't really see. It's like a gray in there. Should be. It got the short teeth. I believe it's short. I might have it wrong. Y'all correct me. It got a like little gray speckles on it. Like this right here. Okay. Got a little dark gray. Got the gray laces on there. And got like the pull tab. This right here. With this right here, the tongue is 3M. There's another view on this side. You know the sole is icy blue. Icy blue. Yeah. Got the Jordan. And then got the dark gray Jumpman right here. Go inside. I ain't never tried them on, but I'm gonna do it on feet today. You know, we got the Air Jordan right here. Then you got the white insole with the gray Jumpman. Okay. Where I'm from is sold out, so I had to stick with a size 11. Actually, I could wear 11, between 11 and 12, maybe 12 and a half. Doesn't matter. I don't wear my shoes all day or all the time anyway, so really no big deal. Before I forget, I got the little gray right here. Not gray, but white Jumpman right here. It's my second time doing the video, so bear with me. I'm gonna get till I get used to it. Okay. Let's do our own feet comparison. Just hold for a second. Put that right there. Take a little bit longer. You know the 5s have the pull tab on it. Feet comparison. Okay. Feel a little tight snug, but all I gotta do is unloosen these shoestrings. It feels right. Side view, front view, another side view. I don't wear my shoes like this, so bear with me. So I'm gonna do an on-feet comparison. So, rate, comment, and subscribe. And tell me, let you know how you feel about the shoe and how I did. All right.